All right, so this person right here is literally crying about the word cisgender. Let me tell you the meaning of cisgender. So here it is. The gender identity and sex assigned at birth are the same, okay? So that's what it means. And what they're saying is they weren't taught it at school. The only reason why that word is a real thing is just to invalidate trans people. First of all, I didn't learn anything from school, bro. Like, I learned nothing from school. Like, how to do taxes. I don't even know how to do taxes. Literally don't know how to do tax at all. What else did we not learn? How to use checks. I didn't know how to use checks. Cursive, we learned that for like one semester and then we stopped. I don't barely know how to do cursive, you know? There's so many things that I did not learn in school. So, being like, oh, I guess what I learned? I learned about stupid history that I don't need now. Like, I forgot everything from school. Everything. School was worthless. So I like how that's their comeback. Like, oh, didn't learn cisgender in school. Did you not learn pronouns in school? Because I think you did. I think you did. When people call you he, she, when they say they lost their wallet, hey, whose pencil is this? Oh, it's theirs. It's their pencil. You are learning pronouns, and pronouns is gender. Gender is pronouns. Some cis people are just dumb, bro. Like, it's kind of getting funny. And I think it's funny how people get mad at the word cis. It's just a word, like cisgender. Like, my girlfriend's cisgender. I can call her that all day, cisgender. She doesn't give a fuck, because that's what her gender is. She's proud to be a cisgender woman. I am proud to be a transgender male. Like, why is that such a big deal, you know? I don't know. We get called, as the LGBTQ community, we get called worser names from you guys, like the F word, or just anything, you know? You guys say so much rude things to us, but you're sad because you are a cisgender person. But I know this guy's just playing and just fooling around and things. I saw him. He has 0 followers, 0 posts, 0 people. He's following 0 people. So I know that's just like a hacker account that's just trying to be stupid and scam people. Which I hate those people. Like, if you're going to make an account, at least post, or at least, I don't know. Or don't make an account just for hating. You know, like, that's just annoying. But oh well. Have a good day.